Good morning, race fans. Redlin here. Just pulled over in Shannon. I'm on my way to Tokomaru, which is where our race is today. Left home just after 6 and should be there about 7:30. But I'm here in Shannon. Just going to get a coffee. So I will see you at the racetrack. Ow. Alright. I got my coffee. And we're here at a hedge. Although, behind me there's a guy, a very dedicated man, putting up a track. Here he is. Track walk. Gonna be starting our first race soon. Got a track out here, some gates to fly around, some stuff to crash into, and all the people are here. Look at them all, they're weighing their drones, trying to get them to exactly spec, 550 grams, no less. Taken off.
It'll be interesting when we get to qualifying and we only have 2 goes in it. To really shake up the field. You really got to nail that. Remember, if you want to qualify for the semi-finals.
Now into the finals. I'm in the bottom group, but one of us is going to be bumping up. So let's hope that everyone else crashes, because I'm not going to beat them legally.
You're out in front, Chris.
Bit of a lead here for Ridley. Ooh, a little bit of a mistake. Keep it clean, Ridley.
I've been practicing for their recovery.
P3, just behind Mr. Burthst. Looks like he might have made the pass now. So that's really up to P2.
Got a good lead.
Ooh, looks like we might have a nil hanging in the dive, unfortunately.
Nil all.
That's a tough one. It's the got another 2 races to come back from that though.
He's got about a 2-gate lead.
William's still holding that lead, but Neil is on the charge. He is catching at a reasonably rapid rate. We're about halfway through now, 2 laps to go. William's still a few gates behind, but we're halfway through. If we can keep up this pace, he might be able to gain.
You're right, Chris. It's 2 to 30.
I think the gate miss there is going to allow William to gain slightly.
Still clean.
60 seconds remaining.
That's still stabilising about a similar rate.
Is it clean?
Final lap.
Well, finished? Okay. I didn't want to do a slugus and finish early.
Finished. Well done, mate.
And just like that, it's all done. The field behind me, it's empty of drone gates and everything. Done for the day. Pretty happy with how I performed. Didn't place too highly, but got pretty quick towards the end. Some really amazing battles, and just another amazing day out drone racing. So hope everyone enjoys watching this, and see you at the next one. Thanks everyone. Bye.